Plant FAQs. Tillandsia Harrisii. Tillandsia Harrisii, the silver charmer for plant enthusiasts. Hi everyone, Furbu here. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of air plants, specifically the Tillandsia Harrisii. This Guatemalan native has captured the hearts of plant lovers with its soft, silvery leaves and stunning red inflorescence. Whether you're a seasoned botanist or a curious beginner, this FAQ will answer all your burning questions about the Tillandsia Harrisii. See more 690 species in genus Tillandsia, air plants at monsteraholic.com. What is Tillandsia Harrisii? Tillandsia Harrisii is an epiphytic flowering plant belonging to the bromeliad family. Unlike most plants that root in soil, Tillandsia Harrisii absorbs water and nutrients through its leaves, making it a true air plant. This unique adaptation allows it to thrive on trees, rocks, and even other plants in its native Guatemalan cloud forests. Named after Bill Harris, a Tillandsia enthusiast tragically murdered in Guatemala, this air plant boasts a rosette-shaped form with soft, succulent leaves. The silvery sheen comes from a dense covering of trichomes, tiny hairs that aid in water absorption and protection from the harsh sun. Tillandsia Harrisii versus other air plants. What makes it special? The air plant world is brimming with diverse beauties, but Tillandsia Harrisii stands out for several reasons. Beginner-friendly. Compared to some air plants with specific humidity needs, Tillandsia Harrisii is relatively forgiving. Its soft leaves tolerate a wider range of humidity levels, making it a great choice for new air plant parents. Fast grower. This air plant isn't shy about putting on a show. It grows at a decent pace, rewarding you with a fuller, bushier plant in a shorter time compared to slower-growing air plants. Show-stopping blooms. The star of the show is undoubtedly the vibrant red inflorescence, flowering stalk, that emerges from the center of the rosette. This beautiful stalk produces clusters of tubular purple flowers, adding a pop of color to your space. Low maintenance. Air plants, in general, require minimal care. Tillandsia Harrisii is no exception. With proper watering, good air circulation, and bright indirect light, this plant thrives with minimal fuss. How to care for your Tillandsia Harrisii. Providing the right environment is key to keeping your Tillandsia Harrisii happy and thriving. Here's a quick rundown. Light. Bright, indirect sunlight is ideal. Avoid harsh afternoon sun that can scorch the leaves. Watering. Soak your Tillandsia Harrisii for 15 to 30 minutes once or twice a week, depending on your climate. Allow it to dry completely between waterings to prevent rot. Humidity. While Tillandsia Harrisii tolerates average humidity levels, misting it occasionally, especially during dry spells, can be beneficial. Air circulation. Good air circulation is crucial to prevent moisture buildup and potential fungal issues. Pro tip. You can mimic its natural environment by placing your Tillandsia Harrisii on a piece of driftwood or mounting it on a corkboard. This allows for better air circulation and adds a decorative touch. Common problems with Tillandsia Harrisii. Solutions at your fingertips. Even with the best care, occasional issues can arise. Here's how to troubleshoot common problems. Brown leaves. This can be caused by underwatering, overwatering, or excessive sunlight. Adjust your watering schedule and provide adequate light. Melting at the base. This usually indicates rot due to overwatering. Ensure your Tillandsia Harrisii dries completely between soakings. Lack of blooms. Insufficient light can prevent flowering. Move your plant to a brighter location with indirect sunlight. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. By following the proper care guidelines, you can minimize the chances of these problems and enjoy your Tillandsia Harrisii for years to come. Where to find Tillandsia Harrisii? Finding your very own Tillandsia Harrisii is easier than you might think. Here are some options. Online plant retailers. Numerous online stores specialize in air plants, and Tillandsia Harrisii is a popular choice. Plant nurseries. Local nurseries with a good selection of air plants might carry this species. Plant shows and events. Attending plant shows and events can be a great way to discover unique air plants, including Tillandsia Harrisii. With its captivating looks, easy care requirements, and charming personality, Tillandsia Harrisii is a gem for any plant collection. Whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or just starting your indoor jungle journey, this air plant is sure to add a touch of magic to your space.